Everybody, welcome back. We are here with another Appsumo weekly roundup. But let's see what we got. Coming in hot this week, top deals. We got Albato. Integrate cloud services and build custom automations to simplify your workflow. Build your own automations between any cloud app, no coding necessary. Connect your SaaS product to create white-labeled ecosystems with native integrations. It's an alternative to Zapier and Make. So I think we pretty much know what these types of things are. So it's going to be something to connect softwares together so you don't have to use their APIs. Tier 1's tied to Basic, Tier 2's tied to Standard, and Tier 3 is tied to the Pro plan. Features included in all plans. You get unlimited steps per automation per month, unlimited users per account, filter trigger, router, 500 plus apps and any future app integrations, 30-day execution log storage, parallel scenario execution, real-time automation logs, service integrations including Airtable, Slack, Salesforce, HubSpot, MailChimp, Zendesk, Jira, ActiveCampaign, and more. License Tier 1 gives you 1,500 operations per month, 5-minute automation update time, and 20 active automation numbers. So Tier 2, you get 45,000 operations per month, 1-minute automation update time, unlimited active automation numbers, data migration, custom webhooks, auto replay of data, custom HTTP request, and app integrator for your custom apps. License Tier 3, you get 150,000 automations per month and a dedicated queue handler. So basically just 3 times the automations for a little over double the price. That doesn't seem all that great of a deal, but let's go to their regular pricing. All right, and the tiers on Appsumo, the Basic is your Tier 1, the Standard is your Tier 2, and the Pro is your Tier 3. There are a couple differences in the accounts already. The Appsumo accounts, their update time is actually quite a bit faster on all of the tiers. So I'm not sure what that's about. It looks like you also get more, operations per month. I may be misunderstanding the difference between operations and transactions though. So keep that in mind and look for yourself to be sure. But that's Albato. If you're interested in that, go check that out. The links will be down in the description below. Next up, we got Retable. Visualize, manage, and analyze your data to create smart apps that boost productivity. Customize and convert your data into grid, calendar, Kanban, or chart views so you can visualize what's going on. Store, analyze, and share data from a platform that functions as your database and project manager. And it's an alternative to Airtable, Excel, and Google Sheets. Looks like it does have some built-in AI. That's interesting. It is connected to all future team plan updates. Features included in all plans: user permissions, assign members, in-app chat, compliance integrations, team collaboration, spreadsheet templates, public and private shared settings, public forms and views, unlimited projects per workspace, unlimited tables per project, conditional formatting, remove Retable branding, unlimited record change history, and unlimited table trash bin. For Tier 1, you get unlimited workspaces, 5 team members, 50,000 records per table, 10 gigabytes of space. Tier 2 is $89 for 10 team members, 50,000 records, so the same amount of records and the same amount of attachment space. Tier 3 is $199 for 50 team members, and everything else is the same. So really, it looks like you're just paying for the team members. So let's go check out their prices on their websites. And the Appsumo tiers are connected to the team plan, which is $30 a month or $300 per year. It only comes with 3 users, and it's an extra $12 per additional user. Wow, that seems a bit expensive, to be honest. All right, I'm going to be honest with you. This one looks pretty interesting. I do think it's way overpriced, and I would be worried about the longevity of this one because of that. LTDs are nice, but if they can't get recurring revenue in, they're going to shut down eventually. I think that they're either going to have to adjust their prices or figure out something to keep going. Next one up is Gumlet Video. Securely upload, optimize, and stream videos, all while tracking detailed analytics. Effortlessly host, secure, and stream video content with a player customized for your brand. Launch your channel, collect analytics, and drive conversions with your videos. It's an alternative to Vimeo. All tiers are connected to the video growth plan updates, and we'll check that in just a second. Features included in all plans: unlimited video views, unlimited total videos subject to storage limits, unlimited video and audio upload size, customizable player, video analytics, video CMS and video SEO, multiple subtitles and soundtracks, unlimited video uploads and streaming API, S3 Wasabi and G Drive source. License tier 1 is $49. You get 1,000 minutes of video storage total, 500 gigabytes of streaming bandwidth per month, 1 user, 2 video collections, and full HD video for $49. Tier 2 is $99. You get 3,000 minutes, 1 terabyte of bandwidth, 10 users now, 5 video collections, and again, full HD. Tier 3 is $199. You get 6,000 minutes, 2 terabytes of bandwidth, unlimited users now, 10 video collections, full HD, and unlimited dynamic watermark. Tier 4, you get 10,000 minutes, 3 terabytes, 20 collections, everything else is the same. Tier 5, $399, you get 15,000 minutes, unlimited bandwidth, unlimited users, unlimited collections. You finally unlock 4K video on Tier 5, unlimited dynamic watermark, and unlimited digital rights management. I don't know what that is, but that's interesting for sure. And this looks like the only one to have 4K video as well. So if you use 4K, you're going to have to get Tier 5 for $399. That's pretty expensive. It does have 32 reviews at a little over 4.5 tacos. I'd say probably 4.7 tacos or so. Let's check out their pricing on their website. They are connected to the growth plan, I believe. Yeah, we are connected to the growth plan on the Appsumo accounts. Now, there's been a lot of Vimeo replacements lately, but this one looks actually pretty good. So if you need a Vimeo style solution with your business, this one actually gives unlimited everything but minutes. So that's your only limitation is minutes. And that's a pretty big limit. 15,000 minutes of video storage is 250 hours of video. That's quite a bit. So that's Gumlet. Go check that out if that's something you're looking into. AppMySite. Turn your website into a user-friendly mobile app in minutes with AI-powered app builder. I think I looked at this the other day during the Sumo Day events. Quickly convert any website into a native mobile app and automatically sync your content. Customize and preview your app design, content, and layout on a user-friendly interface. It's an alternative to AppyPie. Never heard of that one. And it looks like all the tiers are connected to the Pro plan. Features included in all plans: convert any website to an app, convert WordPress to an app, convert WooCommerce to app, publish on Android and iOS app stores, app personalization, test on real device, push notifications, app monetization, user consent, WordPress app, WooCommerce app, web to app, custom app. License Tier 1 comes with 3 apps and 3 team members. License Tier 2 comes with 10 apps, 6 team members, and white-labeled apps. License Tier 3, you get 25 apps, unlimited team members, white label, and multilingual apps now. Tier 4, $329, you get 50 apps, unlimited team members, everything else is the same. Yeah. Tier 5, $499, unlimited apps, unlimited everything. It's got everything for $499. Let's check the pricing on the website. Under the all-in-one plans, you got the Pro plan. I think this is the one we'll be connected to, which is $349 per month, which is insanely expensive. If you want to make your website an app, this could possibly be your solution. Let's head to the next one. Brilliant Directories. Maximize revenue by launching, managing, and monetizing your own membership website. Attract and engage your members with fully managed and hosted solution that looks great on every device. Maximize revenue with powerful options to sell subscriptions, leads, digital products, event tickets, and more. It's an alternative to Active Campaigns, Mighty Network, and WordPress. That's an interesting combo of alternatives there. It's got 762 reviews at 5 tacos. Wow. That's insane. Honestly, just looking at that, I would say this is probably a legit software. Interesting. Okay, so all plans are tied to the website plan updates. Features included in all plans: send newsletters, SSL certificate, export member data add-on, and 1 lifetime website. I wonder what that means. That's interesting. So license Tier 1 is $89. You get 250 members, sell digital downloads, members only content, easy coupon codes, free trial periods, and billing reminder emails. Tier 2 coming in at $199 is 1,000 members. You get tax and VAT manager, click to call, Google Sitemap generator, featured articles slider, and pay per post. License tier 3, $299. You get 10,000 members. Private member chat now, pin featured posts, reply to reviews, announcement bar, Facebook and Google login, filter by star rating, global website search, 14-day website backups, claimable listings. Tier 4, $349, you get 25,000 members. Everything else is the same. Tier 5, you get 50,000 members. You get developer tools now, Zapier integration, webhook support, and ChatGPT content creator at $500. Let's head over to their website, check out their normal pricing. It looks like they have the lifetime website on their own website for sale. It is $14.50. That is actually better than the one they're giving us, though. So that's interesting. So for $14.50, you get 100,000 members, or you could pay $500 for 50,000 members. Includes lifetime hosting as well. That wasn't included, I don't think. So never pay hosting. This is interesting. This is one of those ones I really want to try, and I can't really recommend it without trying it first. So yeah, I would have to actually try this to really recommend it, but it looks very, 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 very interesting. I'm going to tell you that right now. That's very interesting. But let's go back. Next up, we got flying off the virtual shelf. Visually organize your content ideas in AI-generated keyword suggestions. ContextMinds. Research, organize, and visualize your content ideas in keyword research with user-friendly mind maps. Leverage an endless stream of AI-generated topics, keyword suggestions, SERP results, and academic research. This was actually one of the ones I was looking at during the Sumo days as well. It says it's an alternative to Miro. I ended up not getting it, but it was definitely interesting. I could certainly see why somebody would be interested in something like this. Looks like it's connected to... All tiers are connected to the Pro plan updates. Features included in all plans are unlimited private maps, AI idea generation, generate relevant and related keywords. The single tier is $69. You get 6,000 topic and keyword lookups per month, 1,500 web and AI article suggestions per month, 1,500 AI generated paragraph topics per month, one internal user, one workspace. For $138, you get 12,000 topics and keywords, 5,000 suggestions, article suggestions, 5,000 AI-generated paragraphs, and 3 internal users and 3 workspaces. Then you jump up to $207 for 20,000 topics and keywords, 10,000 article suggestions, 10,000 paragraph topics, 6 internal users, and 7 workspaces. For $276, which is 4 codes, you get 90,000 keyword lookups, 25,000 article suggestions, 25,000 paragraph topics, 10 internal users, and 20 workspaces. And the top tier is $345 for unlimited everything. Now, depending on how well the keyword research is and the suggestions, this is actually a very generous LTD so far. Pricing. We're connected to the Pro plan here, which is $70 a month normally. Nothing looks crazy out of the ordinary. The website is extremely basic. Yeah, this is another one I think you're probably going to have to try to even understand if it's something you want. So let's go to the next one. We got build, train, and embed smart chatbots powered by ChatGPT right on your website. This is another one I was actually looking really hard into. Chatbase. I want to try it so bad. I just don't think I have a proper use case for it. And it's got just under 4.5 tacos. It's probably 4.2, 4.3 tacos out of 68 reviews. Generally, that means it's a good but not an amazing product. Now, I've looked at this one a few times. I believe we've even done this on a couple roundups at this point. So we're just going to skip down to the tiers. This is the big limitation is the tier 1, you only get 1,000 messages per month, which is not very many. You get 10 different chatbots, and you get to train each chatbot to do different things. From the reviews I've read and the comments I've read already, the 2 million characters per chatbot is not a lot of training data, so it struggles to be trained on a lot of websites. Now, the tier 2 is the one I would actually get. Now, keep in mind, there's a huge price difference. So the tier 1's only $29. So it's very, very, very cheap. So the tier 2 actually jumps up to $159. It kind of seems really expensive. And you only get 5 times the messages. That doesn't seem very great. 40 chatbots, that's just good. It's not amazing. But you get 3 times the training data per chatbot. That's pretty huge. Now, again, this has been complained about, says it's not enough to train on a lot of bigger websites. So just keep that in mind. And the big one for me is the ability to connect your OpenAI API key for continued use beyond the monthly messaging limit. That's pretty big, because 5,000 messages per month isn't a lot, especially if you have multiple chatbots on multiple different websites. So connecting your own API is going to be pretty huge there. And you also get rid of the no chat-based branding. So that means on tier 1, you do have chat-based branding on it still, which is kind of annoying if you ask me. Now heading over to their website, you can see we're connected to the growth plan here. You actually get API access on all of them. So tier 1 is not connected to this plan. I mean, it is $29 though. So just keep that in mind. It's $29, so of course. We do get 4 times the amount of chatbots, though, and we get 2 million more characters to train. So that's interesting. So we're going to throw up a tiny red flag here on this one. It does have differing amounts on their plan that they're tied to, but in general, I would say our LTD is actually better than their tier here. So I'm not sure what to make of that, really. Yeah, this is definitely one of those ones I want, but I don't think I'd ever use. So let's head to the next one. Quickly build custom forms, mobile apps, and internal databases that empower your business. This is one I haven't looked at yet. Formaloo. We'll call it Formaloo. I don't know. Build code-free forms and engagement tools with unlimited custom logic that streamlines your data collection. Create customizable business apps and access controlled databases where you can collaborate in real time. It's an alternative to AppMySite, Gravity Forms, and Typeform. This is 186 reviews, and it's like 4.8 tacos. That's pretty good. Looks like all of the tiers are connected to the Pro plan, and looks like they've been on here before, so they're honoring all their stuff with the new limits. So features included in all plans. You get unlimited databases and forms, unlimited records, responses, form submits, and blocks, unlimited pages and fields, branding removal, add your own logo, create a subdomain, unlimited custom domains with SSL, create native mobile apps, custom SSS and JavaScript, instant backup, daily backup, create membership-only portals with unlimited external users. I mean, it seems pretty good. License tier 1 is $99. You get 10 live apps at one time, meaning you can run 10 apps all at once. You do get 1 workspace, 3 team members per workspace, and 10 gigabytes of cloud storage. License tier 2, you get unlimited live apps, 1 workspace, 5 team members per workspace, and still the same amount of storage. So the only difference between tier 1 and tier 2 for an extra $100 is you get unlimited apps now and an extra 2 team members. If you're going to use a lot of apps, that's a great deal, but if you're not, that's not a huge benefit. A license tier 3, you get 5 workspaces. That's the big difference. You only get 3 team members per workspace, so they kind of nerf your team members there, but you do get more workspaces. You still get the same amount of storage. That is per team member, though, so I guess it's not the same amount. And you get something called Smart Backup. License tier 4 is $399. You get 10 workspaces, 5 team members per workspace now, 10 gigabytes per team member, Smart Backup, Enterprise Controlled Database Encryption, SAML with SSO, which is just single sign-on, basically. And then tier 5, you get 20 workspaces. You get 5 members per workspace. This is $599. You still get the 10 gigabytes per team member, Smart Backup. Everything else is the same. You just get way more workspaces, looks like. I don't know. Let's head to the website. All right, and we are connected to the Pro plan here, which is $19 per month per creator. I mean, this is one of those ones that seems interesting. I would like to try it if I had a whole lot of time on my hands, but I just don't. So it's probably not something I'd be interested in personally. But if that's something you want to look into, definitely go and try it. And best of all, they do have a free plan, so you can mess around with it first to really figure out what it is. I would definitely buy it if I had more, or I would definitely go test it out if I had more time. It looks like one of those ones that's going to take a minute to really learn how to use. So that's it for this week's AppSumo Weekly Roundup. Thank you for coming back and joining me. Hopefully you guys found something you like. Remember, all the links are down in the description, just to make it easy on you guys. Yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Later.